Morning. We're looking at in here the area. This is number 6 from our worked out problems. And we're looking at the area for this. So when we're looking at the area, we want everything that's inside. We're going to see how many squares we can put in here. So this is 6 centimeters long. So we'll have 6 rows of squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 6 in here. So we're gonna, and then we have 4 across. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we have a missing bit right here. You can kind of see that it's missing. So we only have a triangle. So what we're going to be doing is the area is the number of squares that fit inside there, inside a figure. So area, number of squares, or the space in a 2-dimensional figure. And what that means, it's just something that's flat on the ground. There's no cubes in here. So our answer, most importantly, is squared. So it's going to be, in this case, our units are going to be centimeters squared. So they're going to be, there's our square section that we have in here. So let's take a look at what we have in here. So I'm going to calculate it versus count it, although we could if we wanted to, but we have that diagonal across. So I'm going to break this into 2 figures. So we have a triangle and we have a rectangle. So the rectangle, we'll call that 1, the area of 1 is 2 times 4, which is 8. That's it. So in here, if we were to break this apart, this up here is 2 centimeters, and we have in here a rectangle, so we can go 2 times 4, and that's how many squares we'll have across in here. So we'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we have 2 down, 1, 2, so we have 8 squares inside here. The triangle, on the other hand, we'll call that figure 2. We have a half of the rectangle that we have. So we need to figure out if this part right here is 2, that leaves this other part over here to be 4 centimeters. The total is 6. So it's 4 centimeters. But the height here is the same as our 4 centimeters here. So the area of the second one is a triangle. So it's 1/2 the base, which is 4 times 4, which is 1/2 of 16, which is 8. So our total is A1 plus A2, which is 8 plus 8, which is 16 centimeters squared. So the half only goes for our triangle that we have in here. The rest of it is we're just counting the number of squares that we can create in a section.